This video demonstrates the annotation capability of iVision for deep learning tasks. Drag the annotation tool into the program editor. Select a folder that contains the dataset that you want to annotate. Select a name for the dataset that you want to prepare. Then select the application you want annotations for. Click OK and then select the cyclic execution option to open the annotation GUI in order to switch from one image to another automatically. Then, in the Add Objects tab, select the label that you want to label parts of the image with. Then, drag the cursor on the image to create a bounding box with the chosen label on the object of interest. Once you are finished, press Continue to annotate the next image in a similar fashion. Once you are done labeling all the images, press Stop Execution.